Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's time to give it a try. Some mudbugging for 2023. We're going to try a new river that I've never thrown traps into before. I have a few errands to run this morning and then we'll head to the river. Well, here we are. This is the St. Louis River. Like I said, I've never trapped here before, so I have no idea if there's anything in here. We're gonna put 3 traps out. I'm gonna use cat food for bait. If we end up catching some, then I can get a little more elaborate with the bait. Looks like we've got, you guys probably can't see it, but that's kind of what the bottom of it looks like right here. Slow moving river. If you go down a mile, it's not so slow, but right here it's barely moving. We got 1 trap in, 2 to go. I just set the 3rd trap. We'll probably come in tonight and check these and see if there's anything in this river. I don't know if you guys can see it because the zoom isn't very much on this camera. But there's a whole, right down here, a whole bunch of geese. Little ones and mom and dads. There's got to be 25 geese there. 3 more months. Like I said, we'll come back later and check them. Well, it's the following day, 1:45 in the afternoon right now. Last night got busy in the travel trailer, and then today I had to work up until now. So now we're gonna go over and check those traps. If there's any crayfish in there, we'll know after this long. Nothing. Not one single mud bug. I have to admit, I'm surprised. I thought for sure there'd be at least a couple in there. Another one with nothing in it. It's not looking good. The other trap is real close to this one. Absolutely nothing. I can't believe I didn't catch anything here. I thought for sure I would. Just a couple, 3 weeks ago, Melissa and I were about 100 miles north. I put 3 traps in on that lake. That was a lake, not even a river, and I usually catch mine in the river. And I actually did catch some. I threw them back, but I did catch some. Well, it's raining out again, but I want to get these traps pulled in. I didn't get enough to do a boil, but you know, it's still a little early in the season here, and I didn't want to check it out and see. That's one in that one. Got a dozen in that one. Oh, that one there got quite a few in it. $27 in that one. So what's that? 27, 36, 39, 40 of them total. If I would have really tried to trap these hard, I could have done pretty good, but some of the sizes are still so small this early in the year. So wait another 2 or 3 weeks and prime time. So I thought for sure there'd be some here. Well, I know they're around. I just have to find them. It doesn't mean they're not in this river either. Remember when I tried to put them in with my work camper? That was on the Rum River. Quiet part of the river though. No rapids or anything. Never caught a single one in those traps. Yet the same river, I don't know, 15 miles south where I always trapped, I would catch a lot of them. And the water was moving faster there, so this is a big river system also. I'll just have to find another spot and try it. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I thought I would stretch this one and go try another spot, but since I'm just trying to find spots up here now that I've moved 2.5 hours north, let's just keep each one in a different and we'll see what happens. I will see you guys on the next video.